In a faraway land, there was a magical kingdom with a majestic castle. It was a place where dreams and reality intertwined and where our story begins. Once upon a time, in this magical kingdom, there lived a king named Midas. King Midas loved gold more than anything else in the world. King Midas had a special wish. He wanted the power to turn anything he touched into gold. One day, the god Dionysus visited King Midas's castle. He was so impressed by the king's kindness and generosity that he decided to grant him one wish. Dionysus, King Midas, for your hospitality I shall grant you one wish. Choose wisely. King Midas, oh, thank you, great god. I wish for the golden touch. I want everything I touch to turn into gold. And so Dionysus granted King Midas his wish. At first, King Midas was thrilled. He turned flowers, trees, and even his own throne into gleaming gold. But then he touched a loaf of bread, which turned into gold. But soon, King Midas discovered the downside of his golden touch. When he tried to eat, his food turned into hard, shiny gold. When he tried to hug his beloved daughter, she turned into a cold, golden statue. King Midas realized that his golden touch was not a blessing but a curse. Desperate, King Midas begged Dionysus to take away the golden touch. Dionysus told King Midas to wash his hands in the river Pactolus to remove the curse. King Midas did as he was told, and slowly, the golden touch disappeared. From that day on, King Midas learned an important lesson. He realized that love, family, and friendship were more valuable than all the gold in the world. And so, King Midas lived happily ever after, cherishing the simple joys of life. And that, children, is the story of King Midas and the Golden Touch. Subscribe to Coco Kids and Tales for more such interesting stories.